In 3, 2, 1. Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by. If you smile through your fear and sorrow, smile, and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you. Light up your face with gladness. Hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find life is still worthwhile if you just smile. That's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find life is still worthwhile if you just smile. We did it! As always, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, click that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you just have recently hit that red subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes, in my personal opinion. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for leaving a comment below. Thank you so much for liking this video. I'm pretty sure you've done all those, so I love you so much. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you are playing? It looks and sounds amazing. I need to know because I want it. I got you. This is a tenor size Kumu ukulele. Look at the headstock. Look at the beauty of it. Jeez. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. It's also a thin bodied uke, which makes it lightweight and also has a built-in pickup. Look at that. You can change the effects on this uke all in one. You don't need an amp, but you can plug it in as well. But literally, this is the best uke ever. It's absolutely amazing. Kumu and Leilani ukuleles are the best. If you want to go check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, because the team at Kumu Leilani Ukulele love you guys so much, they're giving you a code to save $10 off your entire purchase. All you have to do is enter Ricky10 at checkout, and you'll save $10. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below for the uke, and you can also shop the Leilani and Kumu series. They're absolutely amazing. And again, use code Ricky10 to save $10 off your entire purchase. And it's not just on uke, it's on everything, accessories, all the good stuff. Highly recommend. So thank you to the team at Leilani Kumu Ukulele. I love you guys. Those kisses are for you. Anyways, also, what am I doing? Links to all of my socials are just at Ricky Somborn. I'll leave them links in below. Also, links to my merch if you want to go support this channel. That will be down below. Currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie. It's absolutely amazing. So comfortable. Let me know what you think. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in the next video. I promise. I love you. Bye.